Hey kindergarten through second graders, Miss Sigsby here for your weekly lesson. This week you are going to be learning about something called biomimicry. Now it might sound familiar to you. A couple weeks ago we did a lesson on biodiversity, which means diversity meaning different and bio meaning living things, all the different types of living things, and you went on a biodiversity hunt throughout your environment. But biomimicry is a little bit similar. It has the word bio again, which means living things, but mimic or mimicry means to copy. And I have an example of biomimicry right here with me. Do you know what that is? These are used when you go swimming. I love to scuba dive, and you use these when you go scuba diving or swimming. You put them on your feet, and they actually help you swim very, very fast. You'd be amazed at how much faster you can swim. So it's almost like the webbed foot of a duck or a frog or anything that swims in the water. These are used based on the idea from nature. And that is exactly what biomimicry is. It means taking an idea from nature, a living thing, and using it, copying it to make things for people to use and make it easier for us. Just like these help you swim better. So your lesson for this week is to watch the video on Generation Genius all about biomimicry, and you're going to see some more examples of that. Now for your lesson, you have two options. One is you can take the materials, and it talks about it in the video as well, a candle and melt some of it on an old pair of shoes. Now obviously you need your parents' permission for this. An old pair of shoes, and let it dry, and then you're going to pour water on it, and you're going to be able to see how much better it repels or the water bounces off. And that will give you an idea of how things that live in the water, how their feathers or their skin or their fur is very oily or slick so that it doesn't absorb a lot of water. If you don't have those materials or you don't want to do that to a pair of shoes, you can create your very own example of biomimicry using any materials you have at home. Anything that you have at home is fine, and use an idea from nature to create something that humans could use as well. I would love to see all of the things that you are able to build and engineer, and you can upload those to Seesaw for me to see, but your friends as well. So happy learning. Have a great week, everybody. I'll see you soon.